Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to implement a CRM strategy with teamwork.com. First things first, you need to set up your Teamwork CRM account. This will be your hub for all your customer relationships and interactions. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place where all your team members can access and update customer information in real time. Next up, you'll want to import your existing customer data into Teamwork. This can be done using CSV files or directly from your previous CRM system. This step is crucial because it ensures you have all your customer data in one place, which is key for maintaining and improving your relationships with them. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up your sales pipelines. In Teamwork, you can create multiple pipelines for different products, services, or markets. This helps us because it allows us to manage and track sales processes more effectively. Let me explain why this matters. Having a clear view of your sales pipeline helps you identify where potential customers are in the buying process and what steps need to be taken to close the deal. The next step is to automate your tasks. In Teamwork, you can create task templates for common actions like follow-ups or sending proposals. This saves time and ensures consistency in your customer interactions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The system is taking these tasks off your plate, freeing up your time to focus on building relationships with your customers. Lastly, you need to train your team to use Teamwork CRM. Provide them with manuals, video tutorials, or even in-person training. This is important because the success of your CRM strategy depends on how well your team can utilize the tool. And there you have it. With a Teamwork CRM account, your customer data imported, sales pipelines set up, tasks automated, and your team trained, you're well on your way to implementing a successful CRM strategy with teamwork.com. Remember, a well-implemented CRM is key to understanding your customers and improving your relationships with them. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.